and welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. Today I'm taking part in Craft Your Stash with Nature Challenge, hosted by Sandra from the Schwoen's Nest. Her channel link and the playlist are in the description box below. I have this old enamel baking dish, and as you can see, it's in rough shape. I am going to use that as my base for an arrangement. I'm just going to adhere some dry floral foam using some hot glue to the bottom of the pan. Here is a selection of some foraged finds that I collected from the forest. I love to go and collect things from the forest. I will have a few videos down in my description box below for you so you can see some of those trips that I've taken into the bush. This is some natural sheet moss that I have found in the forest, and I am just going to spread it out and cover the floral foam. I'm not going to use any hot glue to adhere any of my pieces into place, but feel free to do so. So I have this piece of driftwood and I'm going to just tuck it into the moss. There's no right or wrong way to do an arrangement like this. I am just trying to recreate the forest floor that you would naturally see. I'm now going to add some birch bark and some branches. Feel free to tear up your moss and scatter it around. Again, there is no right or wrong way to do an arrangement like this. I am just going to add a few more smaller branches, and I'm just going to tuck them in and underneath the larger branches and the bark that I have added. I absolutely love to create arrangements like this. It's free and I think they are absolutely beautiful. Here is a fun and whimsical touch that I like to add, and that's fairy lights. These are battery operated. You can get them in the dollar stores. I just wrapped the excess wire around the battery pack, turned it on, and I'm just going to tuck it in underneath the moss. Make sure the switch is upright so it's easily accessible. Now you can just wind the lights around, hiding them underneath the branches and the moss, tuck them in and underneath different things. It really gives it a fun and beautiful glow. I'm just going in with a little extra moss just to help hide the wires and some of the lights, just to dim the glow a little bit. This next step is optional. I'm going to add some faux florals that I got from Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these florals. I think they really give a beautiful natural look. So I'm just going to cut off the flowers and some of the leaves and tuck them in here and there. Again, just to give it a really nice, pretty look to your arrangement. Don't forget to turn your arrangement around so you get a nice even look all the way around. This next part is optional, but I decided to add this cute little heart rock. I thought it was the perfect finishing touch. And there you have it, a beautiful and natural arrangement for your home. I want to say big thank you to Sandra. I thought this was a great idea, and my fellow creators. And I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.